Hello, I'm Miss Eisoma. Welcome to my Japanese learning lesson. In this video, we are going to talk about the usage of Doumo as an interjection. As an interjection, Doumo can be used for I'm afraid to say, or I say this with hesitation. Let's get started. Let's look at the example where native speakers use Doumo for showing hesitation. This is very native style. Here we go.
Example 1.
Your neighbor is explaining how to take out the garbage.
ゴミの捨て方、わかりましたか？
すみません。どうも、ちょっと。
あら。じゃ、もう一回説明するわね。
Example 2.
A friend asks if you like anime.
アニメ好きですか？
すみません。どうも、ちょっと。
あ、残念。Example 3.
A friend's mother is serving you a meal.
どうぞ。
あ、どうも。
おいしい？
あ、すみません。どうも、ちょっと。
そうなの。ごめんなさい。お塩多かったかしら。Why すみません here? And how and why just どうもちょっと can be okay in these situations. I'll explain it one by one. Let's look at the examples how some non-native speakers say in the same situations.
Example 1.
燃えるゴミが月水金、燃やさないゴミが木曜日、燃やせないゴミが第2月曜日です。
ゴミの捨て方、わかりましたか？
わかりません。
あら。ごめんなさい。じゃあもう一回説明するわね。Just saying わかりません sounds too harsh and direct. It may unintentionally imply you are not a good teacher. I mean, you are very bad at explaining this. That's why I cannot understand it. In this case, Doumo can be used to avoid sounding too harsh or hurting someone's feelings. ゴミの捨て方、わかりましたか？
どうも。わかりません。
あら、ごめんなさい。じゃあ、もう一回説明するわね。It sounds more natural and encourages a positive response.
Example 2.
アニメ好きですか？
いいえ、好きではありません。
Example 3.
おいしい？
いいえ、おいしくないです。
Japanese people don't usually say so bluntly when we don't like or disagree with something. So how can Doumo used in these situations? Let's take a look at the example 2.
アニメ好きですか？
どうも、ちょっと、好きではありません。
でもこれは面白いんで、一緒に見ませんか？
ちょっと、少し means just a little. So, in response, you are saying it is okay, which means I don't like it that much. But you don't want to hurt someone's feeling by saying something negative. In situations where you want to refuse, deny, or disagree with people, I recommend saying this before negative form. It makes negative expressions softer.
Here's today's special word.
おいしい？
どうも、ちょっと苦手です。
あら、じゃあ、ケチャップかけてみる？苦手 means not good at, and it is a very useful substitute for 嫌い, which means dislike. They will help you communicate more naturally with native Japanese speakers.
Why do Japanese say すみません before どうも in these situations?
Even in these situations, some Japanese people actually say すみません or ごめんなさい as I'm sorry.
アニメ好きですか？
すみません、ちょっと見ないんですけど。
残念。アニメ好きですか？
ごめんね。あんまり好きじゃないの。
残念。
ごめんね。You might find odd to use すみません in this situation. Japanese culture teaches us to feel guilty when showing disagreement with others. This is the key feature of the Japanese culture. So you will consider this a normal, polite way to respond. Please watch my video on sumimasen if you would like to learn more about how sumimasen is used in everyday situations.
Why do Japanese only say domo?
Most Japanese can guess the implied meaning, even if you omit the parts after domo. So, just only saying domo can be okay in many situations. You will hear a lot of Japanese only saying domo, and the other Japanese will infer the polite decline based on the conversation context and the tone of their voice and body language. Because we're ninja. I'm kidding. So I don't recommend for non-native speakers to omit sentence. I recommend domo, chotto, and negative form. But Japanese, just saying domo, and sometimes add chotto or 少し, and implies that I don't disagree with you. So let's get back to the first examples.
すみません。
どうも、ちょっと。
ちょっと。
This is part 3. I hope you will like it. Domo is mostly used for casual greetings, displaying doubtfulness, and hesitation to decline. I recommend to try Domo out in a variety of situations. It will help your communication in Japanese. If you have enjoyed this video, please watch my previous videos on similar topics. And please subscribe this to get notified when the new videos are up. I will make a video about pitch accent and about Japanese present tense. 英語を話します。And I speak English. They are very different. And いただきます。How to use いただきます for polite form. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. どうもありがとうございました。どうもお疲れ様でした。どうも。こんにちは。あ、先日はどうも。先日はどうも。This is very popular idiom. In the case where we do something together and see them the other day, we say 先日はどうも to refer to the last day we met.
While you are chatting with Japanese friends, you can find many styles of domo. Domo, 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 domo. They are all incorrect, but we can enjoy to express how they sound with them. Please don't use them to your boss.
How do you use domo in your daily life? How do you find useful domo in your life? Why not share it with me in the comment section below?